Okay, time to decorate it. I told you we needed small stuff, right? So I thought we would use some of these little wood dice from the Dollar Tree, little wood cubes, to make some little like building blocks for the tier tray. They'd be nice and small. And I found some little phone grips, the little pop sockets from Dollar Tree. I found a watermelon one and a lime one. But I wanted to do just all three of the blocks, and I only had two. So I'm going to use some glass stickers to kind of finish off the last one. So I thought I would pick out some of my best, like fruity colors here. This is kind of, I can't remember what this is called. It's kind of like a yellow green color. And so that is going to be my first one. I thought all of the little projects for this tier tray should be like fruit themed, not necessarily just watermelon. I thought it would be fun to mix it up with like all like these citrus fruits and stuff as well. So this cube, I'm going to make this one fire red. And so we're still staying with kind of those same color scheme with like the red and the green block. Then I thought for the third one, I wanted to have something kind of plain for the ceramic sticker that we're going to use. So I thought I would just do this one white. And these are kind of like, I guess they're shaped like giant dice, but they're a nice small size to make something for your tier tray. Now it's just a matter of drying them and decorating them. So I did this one like that, like lime green color, because I thought that would be like perfect for this little lime pop socket. And I always like checking all the aisles at Dollar Tree because you never know where you're going to find cool stuff. I found cool stuff like this in electronics a lot and in like bath supplies and stuff like that. Like they have a watermelon popsicle sponge right now. You can find some really cute stuff kind of looking off the beaten path. So it's just a matter of popping the pop socket apart. I don't need that. I just need the cute little lime, right? And I'm just going to attach that with hot glue. It's a perfect size for the little dice. Fits right on that circle in the front. It makes a tiny little decoration for our tier tray. So we're going to do the same thing here with the watermelon one. I think they also have like orange or lemon maybe, if you can find them. That would be really cute too. Definitely had to do the watermelon one though, since we were decorating the watermelon tier tray. So just like before, we're just gonna open this up and take that little watermelon off the popsicle and attach it to the round part of our little dice. Now, I wouldn't recommend using these pop sockets. My son went through like 2 or 3 of them in a row, and he's like, would you please buy me like a real pop socket? Because he fidgets with his a lot on his phone, and they would break immediately. But they work great for decor. So there's our little lime and our watermelon, and I only had 2 of those. So I thought I would use one of these little ceramic stickers and do that. I was going back and forth between I Love Summer and Enjoy Summer, and I think I decided on Enjoy Summer. So that's kind of how I Love Summer will look. It was a little bit bigger than I needed. But the Enjoy Summer, it has like a little hibiscus on it. It's super cute. And you don't have to use these on ceramics. You can stick these to anything. They're basically just really strong stickers. I'm just going to peel that and stick that on our little white dice. And we have 3 really adorable little decorations for our little tier tray. So let's keep making items. I told you I like to check all the aisles at Dollar Tree. I found a luggage tag that has a little watermelon gnome with sunglasses on eating a watermelon. So I thought that would be perfect. We can make a little sign for the watermelon tier tray with that. For this one, I'm going to use one of these little burlap signs from the Dollar Tree. I love these chunky signs. I haven't been able to find these lately. They have a misspelling on the front of them, and I think they had to take them off the market, but I wish they would fix the spelling and replace these because these were great. They're real chunky, heavy, and they're covered in burlap already. So I'm going to attach our cute little watermelon gnome to the front. He's just about the right size. He does have that little slit from the luggage tag on the top, but I'll show you how to disguise that. I do a bead of hot glue all along the little holder on the back there for your address, the little square, and just glue him to my sign. See, I told you you can find cute stuff everywhere in Dollar Tree, so be sure to go down every aisle And then to cover the little slit in his hat, I'm just taking some Dollar Tree twine and just going to tie a simple little bow there. It's going to serve as a decoration, but it's also going to cover that up. Easy peasy. I'm just going to attach that with a little bit of hot glue.